What's the meaning of cage? Cage. Cage.
Cage. Cage. The word cage refers to a structure used to confine or hold captive animals, usually made of bars or wire mesh. It can also be used metaphorically to describe a situation where a person feels trapped or restricted, as if they are in a cage. The use of cages in animal captivity has been a controversial topic, with some arguing that it is necessary for animal welfare and conservation purposes, while others believe it is cruel and inhumane. In recent years, there has been a growing movement towards more ethical forms of animal confinement and conservation, such as sanctuary habitats and wildlife reserves.